Okay, so I had these whiskey water barrels for 2 years, and I'm actually replacing them with new barrels. And the reason why I'm doing that is actually pretty simple. These barrels, they have one weak point. They're flat at the back, which unfortunately makes them leak here after 1 or 2 years. Most likely because we're here in Michigan and it's getting cold and then the ice freezes, although I always try to empty them, but I also tried to fix one of these you see here and it didn't work. So I'm actually replacing them with these barrels, and I actually like them because I could still use the same connector. And the cool thing with them is actually I can actually take the lid off, which means now during winter I can actually make sure that they are totally empty. And this lid actually has two functions, so I'm gonna plant flowers in there like I did with the other ones. But if you don't want to do this, you can actually just install it like this. You can actually screw it down there, and then you will just have a water barrel. But as I said, I am not gonna do that. I'm gonna put the flowers in there. And what you also see, and that's what I've just learned, they are circular, they are round, and we all know that the pressure distribution is way better on a round thing because it's the same pressure in theory all over the place, instead like what we have here, what I just told you with the flat back. So all the pressure actually went down there, and that was the weak spot. But as you can see, when the water shoots out here, it actually shoots against your wall, so it's actually really a bad thing. So I'm pretty sure these work when you are somewhere where you don't have freezing temperatures, but here in Michigan, for my use case, they didn't work. That's why I've got these, and I am pretty confident that we won't have any problems with them. And since I had that pre-installed, because they came with the same connection kit like the others, it took me like 10 minutes to set that up, so that's perfect. And I have another one here, and this one actually collects full of water within half a day. So, and then of course you have like a little faucet here, and yeah, so that's the new water barrels I have. And so I would recommend, if you are living in an area like I do where you have freezing temperatures, look that you get a round barrel instead of one with a flat back. And so as you can see, I just close the lid now, and maybe until I am actually planting flowers, I keep the lid closed like I did here as well. And you see, it's pretty easy. It's actually holding pretty good there, even without screws, so you don't have to screw it down, as you can see. So that's just the lid itself. And as I said, you can either use it like so, put flowers in there, that's what I'm going to do later, or just pop it up here, and then you just have a ordinary water barrel. So that's a pretty good thing. Oh, and I forgot to mention, so you see the water hose here, which I have. You can actually unscrew this here, and then you could connect your water hose as well. I'm just going to use it with the faucet function, but you would also need to do that if you want to empty it during winter. But as I showed you before, that never works 100%. It's always a little bit water in here. That's why I love this one, where I can actually detach the lid so I can flip it over before I winterize it, and I'm 100% sure that all the water gets out there.